Hello, UFP teammates. Throughout the craziness of 2020, I was consistently blessed to be a part of a team that wins. When the worst of 2020 hit us, you acted out of calm rather than fear, came up with innovative ways to safely keep our workplaces open, and worked especially hard to take care of our customers. As a result, UFP Industries recorded its best year ever, and we did it while taking on one of the biggest reorganizations in our history. On behalf of our shareholders and the board of directors, I thank you. We are now officially a $5 billion company and growing. 2020 proved to me that no matter what your team faces, you will find a way to win. One of the wins we are celebrating is our benefits package. Because of your commitment to UFP in 2020, we can once again offer you a strong benefits package with $750 in employee choice dollars. If you're an hourly employee, you'll also receive an additional $750 in performance-based employee choice dollars, as well as an additional 25-cent 401k match. These are in addition to the generous bonuses you receive for the year. For 2020, our hourly employees received over $23 million in regular and special bonus and employee choice payments. Now that is a UFP record I am grateful for. Nancy and Joelle will share more about the benefits package in a few seconds. Another win we're celebrating is our increased commitment to your training. Due to our success, there are more career opportunities than ever for you to take advantage of, and we want to make sure you are as prepared as possible. When the pandemic hit, our training team quickly moved in-person classes online, ensuring that you can continue to get the education you need to advance at UFP. Through the combined efforts of UFP and another donor, we boosted our recruiting efforts by committing a combined $1 million towards scholarships over the next 10 years for our degree program. The degree program is open to current employees and future employees and provides the focused training necessary to advance into greater roles of responsibility. Everyone watching this now is eligible for this program, so if you're interested or know someone who might be, talk to your supervisor. Our work here is just beginning. I hope you enjoy the successes along the way, and remember that with your commitment and mine, the rewards can be even greater. And be assured that no matter what Mother Nature, our competitors, or unknown forces throw at us, when the day is done, I believe that we will win. Nancy?
Thank you, Matt. Every year, we give our benefits team what you might call a mission impossible, without any help from Tom Cruise. We ask them to maintain or improve the quality of our benefits, and at the same time, we ask them to minimize the cost for those benefits. It truly seems impossible given increased federal and state regulations and the rapidly rising costs of medical services and prescriptions. This year, I want to begin by thanking our benefits team for accomplishing the impossible once again and delivering a strong benefits package with minimal cost increases. In 2020, they had a few notable achievements, and I'd like our Senior Benefits Manager, Joelle Vandervelde, to share them with you.
Thanks, Nancy. For years, we've told you our goal is to have a sustainable healthcare program that gives employees choice at a reasonable cost. This year, we undertook 2 initiatives that helped us minimize our costs, and you all played a major role in one of them. Last year, every employee with dependents on their medical coverage participated in a verification process that asked for documentation showing their dependents qualified for our medical insurance. Through that process, ineligible dependents were removed from our plan, decreasing our claim costs by an estimated $2.5 million. We also took our medical plan out to bid. After evaluating 4 vendors, it was clear that Aetna continued to be the right partner for us. Through that process, we were able to negotiate significant discounts on prescriptions and reductions in their administrative costs that will save you and the company approximately $5 million over the upcoming plan year.
Those are huge savings. Thank you, Joelle. And thanks to all those who supported this effort and participated in the audit. In addition to controlling costs, our goal is to give you more control over how your benefit dollars are spent. That's where employee choice dollars come in. When the corporate tax rate was lowered in 2018, the company committed to share a portion of those savings with you. We've done this by depositing employee choice dollars into your paychecks, which in total equals $750 over the course of a year. And you decide how to spend those dollars. You can use them to increase your HSA or 401k contribution, or use them to offset your insurance premiums. And in all of these situations, you'll get the advantage of not paying income tax on them. Or if you prefer, you can simply keep them as additional taxable income. All benefits-eligible employees will continue to receive this $750 during the upcoming plan year, even those who do not enroll in UFP health insurance. During 2020, due to strong company performance in 2019, we were able to provide an additional employee choice dollar amount for hourly employees from our profits. Since May 1, 2020, we've been able to pay an additional $500, giving hourly employees total employee choice dollars of $1,250. The deposits into your paycheck related to this additional $500 will end on April 30 and will be replaced by a one-time lump sum amount. In May, all benefit-eligible hourly employees will receive an additional $750 in employee choice money if you worked for us in 2020. We want to thank you for your outstanding effort in keeping our doors open and serving our customers during a challenging year. Because of you, 2020 was another great year for the company.
So, to summarize, as of May 1st, all benefit-eligible employees, hourly and salaried, will continue to receive employee choice dollars in each paycheck, which will add up to $750 over the course of a year. In addition to that, hourly employees who worked for us in 2020 will receive a one-time lump sum deposit of $750 employee choice dollars in May.
In the future, we will talk about employee choice dollars as two components: the original $750 tied to the corporate tax reduction, and additional performance-based employee choice dollars. These performance-based dollars can vary each year based on company profitability and other factors. So keep in mind, your employee choice dollars are discretionary and may be reduced or eliminated in future years. In addition to employee choice dollars, we will continue to offer our normal hourly performance bonus, generally paid in early December.
Let's circle back to our benefit plans. We're pleased to share that there will be no major changes to our insurance coverages in 2021. We'll continue to provide the same options with no increases in deductibles, coinsurance, or out-of-pocket maximums. And we'll also continue to offer Health Advocate, our concierge and employee assistance program, which provides a wide range of services from counseling to assistance with medical questions and payment arrangements. During the pandemic, more employees received help from this benefit than ever before, and we received a number of notes from you reiterating how helpful this service was. The company covers the entire cost of this program, so I encourage you and your family to take advantage of it. As for the cost of your benefits, there will not be any increase in the rates for our dental, vision, life, disability, critical illness, or hospital indemnity insurance coverages. Some of you will see a modest increase in your medical premiums, depending on the plan and coverage you select. There are several contributing factors to this. The biggest is simply medical inflation, which continues to average 6 to 7% a year. For our plan, that's almost $4 million. Next, the COVID-19 virus also had a big impact on UFP, adding an estimated $2 million in costs for the upcoming plan year. And another factor relates to the share of medical premiums that employees pay. Historically, employees paid 25% of the cost of medical insurance, and the company paid 75%. But to help ease the transition to HSA-style plans several years ago, the company began paying more than 75%. We will continue toward the 75% cost-sharing goal in the years to come by increasing employee cost-sharing gradually until that goal is met.
We believe those who see increases will find them manageable. If it had not been for the efforts of our benefits team to find savings this year, these increases would have been much larger. Remember, you can use your employee choice dollars, and if you are hourly, the performance-based dollars to help offset any premium increases. When it comes to controlling costs, no one is more important than you. Your performance directly impacts what the company can contribute towards our benefits and our employee choice dollars. Also, the preventative measures you take with your health, such as working safely, getting an annual physical, and participating in Healthy You challenges, can help us reduce our long-term costs.
Last year, we introduced a $100 bonus to encourage everyone to get their annual physical and participate in 2 Healthy You wellness challenges. If you successfully completed these steps, you'll receive your $100 bonus this May or June. If you missed out on the bonus for the last plan year, we'll continue the program again this year. So remember, schedule an exam, participate in 2 Healthy You wellness challenges, and you can earn an extra $100.
Before we go, we'd like to inform you of a few deadlines and changes coming this spring and summer for some of our more unique programs. The UFP Business School is accepting applications for the degree program until April 30 for the fall semester. The degree program gives employees the opportunity to get a college-level business education that prepares them for greater roles of responsibility at UFP. And all of those who participate receive a full scholarship underwritten by UFP. Students in the degree program continue to work for UFP while taking the courses. If you're interested in this innovative program, talk to your supervisor.
Another way UFP is making education more accessible is through our Children's Scholarship Program. This program offers scholarships to children of UFP employees and can be used toward college or a trade school. If you have a child in college or a trade school, or a child who is planning to attend one this year, encourage them to apply. The deadline is May 31, and applications can be found on our intranet inside UFPI.
One last housekeeping note. If you participate in the UFP 401k plan, you will see a name change this summer. In 2019, the Principal Financial Group purchased Wells Fargo's retirement business, which had administered our 401k plan. When this happened, we decided to bid out the 401k plan record keeping to several vendors, just as we did with the medical plan. As a result, we're happy to report that Principal won the bid process, and therefore, while we don't expect any major changes or disruptions to our 401k plan features or operation, you will see the Principal name on communications and see some enhancements as we migrate to their website later this year. We'll share more with you in the months to come. We're also pleased to announce that since we exceeded our profitability goal in 2020, despite the disruption of COVID-19, the Executive Committee and the Board of Directors authorized an additional 25-cent 401k match for our hourly employees. This match was added to eligible employee accounts in March 2021. For this year, we will once again offer an additional 25-cent match if we hit our net earnings target for 2021. If you're not participating in the 401k, this is a great year to begin. Finally, we want to thank you all for your efforts to work safely in 2020 and so far this year. From all of us at the UFP Human Resource Department, we wish you and your family a happy and a healthy 2021.